In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop presentation in Canva. If you want your slides to play continuously on a screen at an event, in a lobby, or during a booth demo, the easiest way is to turn your Canva presentation into a video and have it repeat on its own. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and explain what's happening at each step so you can set it up with confidence. With your presentation open in Canva, start by going to the top right corner and selecting Share. This opens a panel with different ways to get your design out of Canva. From there, choose Download. You're telling Canva you want a file you can save and play locally. In the download options, you'll see a current file type selected, like PNG or PDF, depending on what you last used. Click that current file type to open the full list of formats. For a looping setup, you want a single, self-contained video file, so choose MP4 video. MP4 is widely compatible and plays smoothly on most devices and screens. Now click Download. Canva will render your presentation as a video. This may take a moment, especially if you have many slides or animations. The resulting video will honor the timings and transitions you set inside Canva. So what you see in the editor is what you'll see in the final playback. Once the file finishes downloading, open your File Explorer or Finder to locate it. You'll typically find it in your Downloads folder unless you chose a different location. When you see the MP4, open it with your default media player. You can switch to full screen if you're getting ready to display it on a monitor or projector. To make it loop, look for the repeat icon in your media player. It usually looks like two arrows forming a circle. Click it so it's enabled. When that icon is active, the video will automatically start over as soon as it reaches the end, giving you a seamless, continuous presentation without having to touch anything. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure your computer's sleep settings won't interrupt playback, confirm your audio level if your slides include sound, and test the loop for a full cycle before your audience arrives. If you plan to move the setup, keep the MP4 on a USB drive or a dedicated folder, so it's easy to plug in and play on any compatible device. That's it. You've exported your Canva presentation as an MP4 and set it to repeat, creating a clean, reliable loop for any setting.